AKIP-4106 is a PC-based real-time digital single-channel memory oscilloscope with a passband of 10 MHz. The device perfectly suits experts who are looking for an easy-to-use, inexpensive and, what is most important, ultra-compact oscilloscope. The USB oscilloscope has an ergonomic pencil-like design with a 2-meter connection cable. Its compact frame is combined with a built-in test probe. When the oscilloscope is turned on, the USB bus triggers an LED flashlight on the end of the probe. The flashlight illuminates the operation area and facilitates connection to a specified PCB point, even in hard-to-reach places or those with poor lighting. The oscilloscopes are based on 8-bit ADCs with sampling rate of 50 MHz. The oscilloscopes are powered from a PC through the USB bus. Thus the devices are light and highly portable. The needle tip of the probe is removable and can be replaced if necessary. The supply set includes an adapter which allows fixing the oscilloscope frame and connecting it, for example, to a signal generator or other tested device with the standard BNC. The oscilloscope is operated by just one hand with the help of the only autotune button. The button turns on the device, automatically adjusts image size and chooses the optimal operation mode of the clock circuit. This ensures a stable display of the input signal on the PC screen. Modern USB oscilloscopes have quite similar technical properties and component bases. They mostly differ in software capacities. The supply set includes the software, which ensures the device operation in 3 modes: oscillograph, afterglow, and spectrum analyzer. The software allows using PC for viewing and processing captured signals with a subsequent saving of data in various formats and its printout. By using AKIP-4106, you can turn your laptop or desktop computer into a digital oscilloscope, a spectrum analyzer, or a lab instrument. This compact and simple device can become the indispensable aid for engineers who occasionally need to take efficient and precise measurements.